let's start. I'm so sorry, I have a cold. Just bear with my voice today. All right. As you have seen in the title, also, we are going to do the linguistic. Let me show you the linguistic and then we'll start. I hope my screen is visible. We'll start reverse. We'll start discussing from question number 4, 3, 2, 1. As question number 1 is based on your comprehension, I'll give time to read and then we'll discuss. Before that, if you see question number 4, see what I'm trying to do in this question is if the picture is given to you. Instead of describing the picture, you have to make a story out of this. Fine, you all can see the picture, the students are reading. This is a school library. So instead of describing the picture, what you have to do, you have to create a story using your imagination. Can anyone tell me the starting? How can you start with the story of yours? Anyone, any details for the story? Vanshika?
Once upon a time, there was a school library in a school.
Hmm.
It has many books. One time, when one girl is checking out the books, all books fell on it. The teacher has scolded it very much, so the girl feel very bad. And
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, I have imagined this much
This
story
was
only.
okay. See, yes, starting you can all do this, but just make it interesting and creative. Fine.
Ma'am, we can use pictures between in the story.
No, you do not have to use the pictures, you have to write. A picture is already given to you. Any doubt in question number 4? Please raise your hand side by side in case you have a doubt or write your name in the chat box that you have a doubt. All right. Question number 3. Can anyone tell me what do you understand by summary? See, this sheet is important because I'm introducing a new topic through it that is summary writing. Fine. A paragraph is given to you and it says that write a summary of the given passage. What do you understand by summary? Srijanya?
Ma'am, like I will first read it and then
Hmm.
understand and then write it in a small way.
Okay. Anushka?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, we can understand the story and then write a small. By understanding the whole story, we can write a summary like what is in the story, what are they telling in the story.
Okay, very good. Both are correct. Dolly? Anyone else wants to add something new?
Ma'am, ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to say that summary is like first we read the paragraph and we write in our own words, in small language or small words.
Short language, not small language.
Yes,
Short.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
excellent. See,
Short language.
everyone, you all knew that summary is what we understanding from the given passage in the passage language or your own language in short. So once if we're reading a summary, if I read the summary, I get to know that what is actually being told in this paragraph. Fine. Yes, in short.
And we can say a short story.
Yes, you can say that. It's not a short story, but in short. Fine. Details in short. Any doubt in question number 3 and 4, anyone? If you have doubt at any point in any of the parts, please write your name in the chat box. Fine. Write a letter to the principal of your school seeking character certificate. Since you would be relocating to a new city and you would require the certificate for taking admission in a school. Now, what does it say? That you have to write an application to the principal, and why the application has to be written? Because you are shifting to a new city, and to get an admission in the new school, you require a character certificate. What does character certificate does is character certificate from a school says that you have a good behavior in the school. Fine. So to prove that you are a good child, you require this character certificate to get the admission in a new school. Any doubt in question 2, 3, and 4? Anyone? Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, I do not understand question number 2.
Let's just see. Question number 2 says you have to write an application to the principal. And in what is the purpose of writing this application is you require a character certificate. What is a character certificate? Character certificate is a certificate that says that you have a good behavior in this school. And why do you require this? Because you are shifting to a new place. And if you are shifting to a new place, new city, you obviously have to change the school, right? So
Yes,
you require
ma'am.
this certificate. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Just have to give the right what from which class you are, what you need, and why you need, until when you need. Okay, a short application. That's it. Let's move to question number 1. It's 9:44, 9:50. 6 minutes I'm giving you to read the paragraph and find out the answers. Fine. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of margarine, ma'am?
Where it is?
Ma'am, the second last line. Used to make soap and
Right. Sorry, Gacham. Coconut oil is used to make soap and margarine. Margarine is a, you can say like mayonnaise. You all have eaten mayonnaise and butters. So this is a, kind of a eating thing that you put on other things like butter and mayonnaise.
okay, ma'am.
Last 1 minute. All right, let's discuss. I hope everyone has read and everyone will participate now. What kind what kind climate is favorable for the growth of coconut trees? Karthik?
The kind of climate is suitable for the grown growth of coconut trees are very hot.
Hot. So, hot climate is favorable for the growth of coconut trees. Excellent. Why do coconut trees grow near the sea? Kanishk? Kanishk, we cannot hear you. Still not audible. If you are using headphones, remove them. You are audible now, Kanishk.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
trees grow near the sea so the roots can find the moisture.
Excellent. The tree grows near the sea so that the roots can find moisture. Very good. In which regions of the world do coconut trees mainly grow? Harshita?
Yes, ma'am. The coconut trees are mainly grown in Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the Pacific regions.
Very good. The frost-free areas where they can find the moisture like Africa, Asia, Latin America, and Pacific regions. Excellent. Okay, write 3 uses of coconut kernel. Come on, new hands. I'm giving the chance to new students. New in the sense that those who generally or speak less in the class. All right, Srijanya.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, three uses of coconut kernel are first we could eat them, and
Yes,
coconut milk is extracted from it, and after
mm,
it dries we could press it and extract oil from it.
excellent. So coconut kernel is the white portion of the coconut. That is the first uses it is eatable. Second, we can get milk. And second, when dried up, the oil is pressed out from it. Fine. Excellent. Why is cattle feed, which is made from copra, good for the cattle? Aaron,
The coconut, the cattle feed is rich in protein, minerals, sugar, and vitamins.
very good. Protein, sugar, and vitamins. Because it is rich in protein, sugar, and vitamins. All right, excellent. Filling the blanks. The roots of coconut trees are used to make dash. Dolly,
And the roots of coconut trees are used to make stabilized buildings.
hmm, the root supplies a dye.
Mom, but here it is written are used to stabilize
And
buildings.
trunks, they are the trunks. And trunks are used to
Okay, ma'am.
stabilize buildings. So used to make
Okay, ma'am.
dye.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
coconut oil is used to make dash and dash. Anushka, Anushka. Okay, Kanika,
Ma'am, coconut oil is used to make soap and margarine.
Margarine. Very good. Soap and margarine. Coconut leaves are used to make dash and dash. Please lower your hand, those who have gotten a chance to speak in the class, so that others could get a chance now. Just be true to yourself. Lower your hands if you have gotten a chance to give the answer. Okay. Pratiksha,
Maybe, maybe and coir.
midriff and coil. Okay, no, mats and baskets. And the leaves are used to make mats and baskets or baskets and hats. Dash is the fiber from the husk. Vidhi,
Ma'am, the answer is coir.
coir. Excellent. Any doubt to anyone? We are done with the sheet. Discussion of the sheet is done. You have to do it and submit by tomorrow's evening on Atlantic. Fine. It will hardly take 30-40 minutes. Very easy one. Any doubt, anyone? So Tuesday is your periodic of English, if I'm not wrong. Okay, that is 19th January. Any doubt in that? Chapter number 10, 11, and grammar 9 is coming. We'll do the revision on Tuesday itself. We have a class on Tuesday. Okay. Yes, Priyanshu, what is your doubt, bacha?
I have a doubt in linguistic. My third question, I don't understand the third question summary.
Bacha, summary means you are writing this paragraph in short and giving it a title. For example, like we have read The Ghost of the Mountains. If I ask you what is the summary of this, so you will not tell me the whole chapter, you will tell me the main points. Like there was a boy called Rizini. who tried to save a snow leopard. The snow leopard has entered the ears of Tashi, right? And he had killed all the goats and sheep, but Rizini saved one calf and
Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
which my throat is paining a lot. I cannot speak more, more voice than this. I'm really sorry for this.
It's okay, ma'am.
Uh, where was I? Yeah, he saved a calf and then, fighted for the life of the snow leopard. And in the end, the officials were called and the leopard was saved. So the actual chapter was of 4 pages in detail, but I just told you in short that what was there in chapter number 11. So when you will read, you can recall, yes, ma'am has told this is what actually is happening. Yes, Diksha.
Ma'am, when we have to submit this ES to you?
By tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
By tomorrow means you can submit it today also. Dolly,
Ma'am, when you will make the assignment module on
after the
advantage?
class. After the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Anushka,
Ma'am, can we do the literature revision tomorrow?
which tomorrow is Sunday.
Ma'am, I mean the next class.
That is on Tuesday. We'll do the revision of entire syllabus on Tuesday. Don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt, anyone? All right, in that case, I'm ending for the day. Please revise for your syllabus. In case you have any doubt, leave a message to me. Please try to write the message instead of using voice. Find the voice messages are too long. If you're sending me a voice message also, please make it short. All right. Thank you so much for bearing today with my voice and all. Have a nice day, everyone. Study well. Any doubt, please don't hesitate to ask me. Take care of yourself, everyone. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am,
Bye.
take